Let's build a short video for Tranquil Team AI, a testimonial-style UGC video featuring multiple presenters and languages, all of it made possible with Picsart's AI video avatars. I start by choosing from a wide range of ready-made presenters, hundreds of options, each with multiple looks. Next, instead of writing the full script myself, I just describe the key message and the goal of the video, like I'm directing the scene. Picsart's AI takes it from there, generating a natural, on-brand script with the right tone of voice, so even if you're not a writer, you will still get a script that sounds like it was crafted by one. From there, I can make a few final tweaks to the script, then hit generate, and just like that, the video is on its way. What used to take weeks in traditional production now happens in minutes.
Hey there, it's time to bring some peace of mind to your workday with Tranquil Team AI.
Want to go global? You can take the same script and have it delivered by any presenter in your lineup. Then choose from dozens of languages to match your target audience. With just few clicks, you've got multiple versions of your video, each tailored for the different markets. Now watch our original English script instantly transform into Spanish, ready to connect with a whole new audience.
¡Hola! Es hora de traer tranquilidad a tu jornada laboral con Tranquil Team AI. Imagina la potencia de una comunicación fluida como Slack, fusionándose con el toque calmante de una app de meditación como Calm. Eso es lo que te ofrecemos, un entorno digital